Are you ready to explore effective ways to inspire and motivate your team? This video outlines crucial strategies for energizing your team, fostering engagement, and driving success. Discover how communication, recognition, and empowerment can transform your team's performance. Inspiring and motivating your team is essential for building morale, increasing productivity, and encouraging innovation. When team members feel inspired, they're more likely to go the extra mile. High morale leads to increased job satisfaction. Productivity boosts when everyone is motivated. Innovation thrives in an inspired environment. As a leader, your attitude and actions set the tone for the entire team. By modeling positive behavior and clearly communicating your vision, you inspire others to follow your lead. A leader's enthusiasm is contagious. Positive behaviors encourage a supportive environment. Clear vision aligns team efforts. Share a clear vision with your team. Explain not just what needs to be done, but why it matters. Connecting daily tasks to a larger purpose helps team members feel valued and motivated. A clear vision fosters alignment. Purpose-driven tasks boost engagement. Set achievable goals and break them into manageable steps. Celebrate small wins along the way to keep motivation high and show progress. Clear objectives guide team efforts. Small wins build momentum. Progress is a powerful motivator. Recognize your team's hard work. Publicly praise achievements and offer meaningful rewards. Recognition boosts confidence and inspires continued effort. Public praise reinforces positive behavior. Meaningful rewards show appreciation. Encourage open communication by inviting feedback and listening actively. Addressing concerns shows you value your team's input and care about their well-being. Open dialogue fosters trust. Listening actively demonstrates respect. Addressing concerns builds strong relationships. Empower your team by delegating responsibility and trusting them to deliver. Support their growth with guidance and resources, which increases motivation and ownership. Delegation fosters autonomy. Trust builds confidence. Support nurtures development. Foster collaboration by promoting teamwork and encouraging idea sharing. Building trust within your team creates a supportive environment where everyone feels motivated to contribute. Teamwork enhances creativity. Idea sharing sparks innovation. Trust strengthens team bonds. Lead by example. Demonstrate your commitment, show enthusiasm for the work, and always act with integrity. Your behavior inspires others to do the same. Commitment motivates action. Enthusiasm energizes the team. Integrity builds respect. Every team member is unique. Understand what motivates each person and adapt your communication style to meet their needs. Flexibility helps you inspire everyone effectively. Personalized motivation drives engagement. Adaptability fosters inclusivity. Effective communication enhances connection. When setbacks occur, maintain optimism and focus on solutions. Encourage your team to learn from challenges and build resilience for future success. Optimism fuels perseverance. Solution focus drives progress. Resilience strengthens the team. Use storytelling to inspire your team. Share success stories and real-life examples that highlight the team's impact. Stories make achievements relatable and memorable. Storytelling captivates attention. Real-life examples provide inspiration. Impactful stories motivate action. Create a positive work environment by fostering respect, encouraging creativity, and supporting your team's well-being. A positive atmosphere motivates everyone to do their best. Respect enhances collaboration. Creativity sparks innovation. Well-being boosts productivity. Motivating teams keep motivation high with regular check-ins, ongoing feedback, and opportunities for professional growth. Continuous support helps your team stay engaged and inspired. Regular check-ins maintain connection. Feedback drives improvement. Growth opportunities foster ambition. Inspire your team daily by starting meetings with positive messages, sharing motivational quotes, and recognizing effort every day. Small actions can have a big impact. Positive starts energize meetings. Motivational quotes uplift spirits. Daily recognition builds morale. To inspire and motivate your team, communicate a clear vision, recognize achievements, and empower and support each member. These strategies create a motivated, high-performing team. Clear vision aligns efforts. Recognition boosts morale. Empowerment fosters ownership. Take a moment to reflect. What inspires your team? How can you motivate them today? Set one action step to put these strategies into practice and watch your team thrive. Reflection guides improvement. Action steps drive change. By implementing these strategies, you can effectively inspire and motivate your team. Through communication, recognition, and empowerment, you'll create a thriving environment. Watch your team's performance and morale soar as a result.